Hi sweetie, I'm Sprout. I'm right here with you. Let's learn this together, nice and slow. We're gonna find the first stitch, and the last stitch, and how to keep your slip stitch neat so your seam stays straight. Some of you sent me photos while you were crocheting. Look at this slip stitch. The first stitch is here, the next one is here, and one more right here. Each one moves forward, so the round starts leaning up and to the left. When we crochet normally, with lots of single crochets, we're just doing regular single crochet here. Go in and pull up a loop. This is the last stitch. On that last stitch, add a stitch marker. Let me show you. Slip stitch into the first stitch. I'll leave it in place. We slip stitch right here. Yarn over gently. Pull through. Watch closely. This is the slip stitch. It looks just like the last stitch right next to it, if we don't fix it and tighten it now. The next round can get confusing. We might insert our hook in the wrong spot. So, pull it snug. Lift your hook up and to the right. Watch this part. Okay. The loop is tight now. It won't move anymore. It's not invisible, but much smaller. The stitch looks neater now. This yellow marker marks the last stitch. Snug it up. Chain 1. Each round ends with a slip stitch. The next round starts with a chain. When you make that chain, just take your time. Lift it up and to the right. Make it a bit tighter. Now we begin. Round 2. The first stitch goes right into the slip stitch. Some beginners leave the slip stitch loose and miss this spot. Then the first stitch shifts over here. That's why it leans up to the left. Where the slip stitch is, that's your first stitch. Watch closely. Tighten the chain. Go into that tiny stitch, right inside it. Don't forget this spot. That's your first stitch. Pull up a loop. Your first stitch can be a little taller than the others. Go in and pull through. The first stitch looks slightly bigger. That helps you see it. If it's still a bit tricky, that's okay. Use a stitch marker. Like this. See, easy and cozy. When you reach the last stitch, right here, inside the stitch, you'll see 2 little V's. This V is the slip stitch, and this one is the starting chain between your 2 markers. They don't count as stitches. This is the last stitch, and this is the first. Go ahead, I'm right here with you.